I'll take that as a yes. Woo, Kylie! I'm taking pictures for Mommy. Yeah. Hey, Kylie, come here. Come here. I'm making a video for Mommy. Tell her hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
There it is. I'll go get in line. Next time, jump off.
I don't want you. Are you gonna jump? Yes, Jenna. Come on, do it.
Yay! You can do it.
Corey. Look out.
What?
Eye contact falling out in it.
Oh, come on.
Go up. Alright, we're good. We're good.
$5. My dad used to do that to me. It worked for me.
Well,
You gonna jump this time, Kylie? You can do it. You can do it. I've seen you jump before. You gonna do it? I want to see you jump. I want to see you jump off diving board. Thumbs up from Jeremy. Almost ready. And there he goes.
and dive.
I saw you. Now you gotta get Kylie to jump. No, not like that.
Nope.
You can do it, Kylie. You can do it.
You can do it.
Woo! Good job.
Jump that. What? What are you talking about? Stop it. What? Denver, you go?
Don't stay away from the edge, Kylie. Are you gonna jump all by yourself?
I did it!
Oh. Hi, Jimmy. Oh, a big wet hug. Thank you. It was pretty awesome. Yes, it was. Is that it? Are we all done now?
Bye, guys.
Can I take a picture of you two here?